Good morning.
Oh yeah. Still waiting.
You're eating your foot? You're eating your foot?
Wait. He's here.
How nice is this? Jenna and her boyfriend Timothée Chalamet apparently raised a cat together as if it was the couple's son. A while ago, on 4th, 25th, 2025, Timothée Chalamet shared on Instagram stories a video showing the kitten. A month later, on 10th, 12th, 2025, Kylie also posted some videos of the same animal. Pet parents, apparently Kylie and her boyfriend Timothée Chalamet, are raising a cat together as if it were their baby. Some time ago, on April 25th, 2025, Timothée Chalamet shared an Instagram story showing the kitten, and months later, on October 12th, 2025, Kylie also posted a few clips of the same friend.